Welcome back to beautiful Naxos, everyone. If you didn't catch the first part, I'll leave that linked up top and down below. Today, we're going to one of my favorite beaches so far in Greece. We'll eat the best gyros so far on this trip. We'll cruise the town during the day and have some drinks at sunset. In the next video, I'll show you what it's really like to take the ferry from Naxos to Athens. So go get a Freddo cappuccino or an espresso martini and sit back, relax, and enjoy. So there's the main bus station's at the port, and then the next one, and it's located right here. And if you can see this little sign with the sticker, you cannot pay cash for the bus, so you have to go to there's a mini market right over there, which is where Patrick's going to get tickets. So note that. So today we're taking the bus to a beach called Maracas Beach, which also goes into Plaka Beach. The drive is about 11 minutes, but by bus may take around 20. The bus will also make several stops along the way, all to different beach areas for you to choose from. We hopped out and walked the beach first. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning. A heads up, if you keep walking this way towards Plaka, part of the beach turns nudist friendly. We are not nudists, so we kept walking until we found a beach bar with loungers and beers. I'll stop talking so you can enjoy these views. Let's make our way back to town to get the best gyros ever. Yeah, souvlaki is a must-try. Yeah, these guys have the best gyros on Naxos. So definitely come here if you're having that craving.
I can be your hero, baby. So good.
Now that we're full of energy, let's get lost in Naxos. So many small streets to discover, Naxos is amazing. It's got a little bit of everything. Beaches, great food, it has quiet areas, and it has busy areas. It's also relatively affordable. Have you been to Naxos? Or what are some of your favorite Greek islands? Leave a comment below. Guys, I have no idea where I'm going. Just kind of, oh wow! Oh wow. Some things. This area is residential, so if you decide to wander around like me, please be respectful and quiet. You see that cute red Vespa? Follow me this way for beautiful views, and we'll stumble into a cute restaurant which isn't open yet, but a spot we'll check out for sunset.
Escena de mi país, traigo así con Abelardo. Y leo, 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 y leo, leo, y leo, 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 leo. Como pareci, same panego, na sutramudo. Y lo leo, leo, y lo leo, leo.
So we're here and some sports team won something and this is so fun. Okay, we're back for a snack and a glass of wine. The place is called Drink in Peace. What a great name, eh? we got a little mistake shrimp. I'll take it. We'll do it anyway. Yeah, from here is nice. We'll do this actually tomorrow or the next day. Oh, look, it's like a little beach. I will.
Let's go find a view from higher up. Here's another great bar to watch the sunset from, 48 Espresso Open Cocktail Bar. I'll leave them linked down below.
This place. Definitely come here. The staff here are super duper nice. They've got 101 cocktails for €6. Yeah, this place is great. Definitely come here. €6 cocktails, can't go wrong.
How's it going, eh?
Eh?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed part 2 from Naxos, Greece. Coming up in the next video, we're taking a fast ferry to Athens. I'll show you the whole experience and what to expect. We'll go to the Acropolis, the Olympic Stadium, and we'll eat so much food. So subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. See you guys in amazing Athens.